Hi everybody, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. Today I'm going to do this new elephant mold I got that I have not done yet. And I'm going to show you a little trick. You know how all those pieces of resin that didn't turn out right, you don't like, but you don't want to waste them because it's resin? Well, here's a trick that I learned. I can't remember who it was from, but it's a way to hide your resin pieces that you don't want. Okay, let's turn this elephant inside out. So I'm going to paint it. I'm going to I'm going to use chameleon powder on it and dust it really good. And then we'll use black behind it. All right, I've got my chameleon powder sitting here. Got my color changing sponge, and I got me a nice little sponge. And I've got a big one for the rest of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint this baby this reddish color. Actually, I'm going to paint the baby a blue, purpley blue. Yeah, that'll work. The purple. And I'm going to go ahead and fast forward you so you don't have to watch all this. But you can see what I'm doing. All right, I'm going to get this cleaned up, and then I will mix my resin, and I will come back to you. I'm brandishing in the chameleon powder right now with the bigger brush. The bigger brush seemed to work better to get more on there at the same time. Okay, I'll be back. All right, I've got my resin mixed up. That a little closer to you. I'm going to put my black resin in it. And I want to get it nice and black. I want it to be opaque. So I'm stirring up my paste. And I'm put quite a bit in here. Leave it right there for now. Set it aside for now. Get that all mixed in. See how good it looks. Now when you're putting anything liquidy into resin, make sure you don't put more than 10% of the liquid into the resin. 10% of the resin, the amount. I hope y'all know what I'm trying to say. All right, that is nice and dark. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour a little bit into the elephant because I've got a bunch of resin pieces here that I didn't think turned out very good. And we're going to pop them in down in there. Got little pieces that I'm putting. Can you see little pieces going in there? Try hard not to scratch the mica powder or the chameleon powder off of it. A little more in. Now I only made 6 ounces, and I think this takes a lot more than that. So we shall see. These are when I first started out and I was trying all kinds of stuff to see what would fit, what wouldn't fit, what would work, what wouldn't work. And yeah, some of this stuff turned out horrible, in my opinion. But this is one way to take care of that. Wow, I almost had enough. And I don't have any room for any more resin pieces. So I'll have to mix up just a little bit more and fill it up. So I will be back to you just as, I'll be back on demolding because I don't think you need to see me finish filling this up. Just make sure if you've got pieces in there, make sure that they're down below the bottom here. All right, I will see you tomorrow for the demold. Hi everybody, welcome back. It's demolding day. Let's get this elephant out of here. I don't know how easy it is to unmold because I've not done this one before, but it looks like it's going to be easy because it's soft. And I forgot to poke the ears. So I am going to have a couple of bubbles in his bottom of his ears, it looks like. Well, I thought it was going to be easy, but it's a little tough coming up from under here. Well, being that it's the first time I've used this mold, now I know where the things are that I need to be careful for, like under his trunk, under his flower, his ears. But I did, if you remember right, I did fill him with extras. So he turned out very pretty though. I really like him. I've got some overspill right here over. I'll have to get off. But he turned out beautiful. Look at him. I scraped up the sides a little bit when I was putting those in, it looks like. But he's gorgeous. Yeah. Or should I say she's gorgeous. Okay. Well, if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button, thumbs up button, and the share button. And don't forget to leave a comment. And thanks again for watching. I really appreciate you all out there. Thank you to my subscribers and everything. And don't forget to watch this video that's coming up. I hope you enjoy it. Well, have a good day and bye for now.